Listen, what if I told you studying faster isn't about cramming harder, it's about studying smarter, not the read faster nonsense. Real tricks that let you lock information into your brain so cleanly it feels almost illegal. Sound good? Cool. Let's go. Do this right and you'll be the person who reads a chapter once and remembers the important stuff. You'll turn a 6-hour nightmare into 2 laser-focused hours and still crush exams. You'll stop wasting time rereading, stop panicking the night before, and actually remember more long-term. That's the payoff. Here's the brutal truth. Most of us study the wrong way. We highlight, reread, and binge a note until our eyes glaze over. That creates familiarity, not mastery. You feel like you know it because it looks familiar, but when the test comes, your brain blanks. That's called the illusion of competence. Why? Because memory is built on retrieval, not exposure. Also, distractions, no clear plan, and doing everything in one giant block cramming kills retention. Your brain needs effortful pull retrieval to make memories stick. Discuss the solution, the core principles. There are 5 cheat code principles that make studying fast and real. 1. Active recall. Force your brain to retrieve info. Flashcards, practice questions, closing the book and saying it out loud. Struggle is good. 2. Spaced repetition. Revisit material with increasing gaps. Don't mass review one day and forget the next. 3. The Feynman Technique. Explain it like you're teaching a clueless friend. If you can't, you don't know it. 4. Interleaving mixed problems and topics. Don't do 50 algebra problems in a row. Mix algebra, geometry, and stats to train flexible recall. 5. Focus. Rituals and environment. Short, brutal focus blocks, Pomodoro style, remove distractions, and prime your brain for deep work. Discuss how to apply the solution, a practical routine. Okay, here's a real, usable session you can start today. It's a 2-hour template that replaces vague studying with surgical practice. Free game, 5 minutes. Decide the one outcome. I will be able to solve types A and B problems, or I will explain concept X in 2 minutes. Put phone on Do Not Disturb. Open a timer. Get water. Small wins. Set momentum. Block 1. Learn plus active recall. 30 minutes. Read a short chunk, 1 subsection, 1 lecture slide for 810 minutes. Don't highlight, just read to understand. Close the book. Spend 15-20 minutes doing active recall. Write what you remember, say it out loud, or do 5 practice questions. If you can't remember something, go back for 23 minutes, then try recall again. The point is retrieval, not exposure. Mini break 5-10 minutes. Walk, breathe, get away from screens. Nothing heavy. Block 2. Apply plus interleave. 30 minutes. Do mixed practice problems that force you to choose which method to use. This is interleaving. Time yourself. Check solutions only after attempting. If you get something wrong, use the Feynman Technique. Explain why the right answer works and why your answer failed out loud. Block 3. Spaced repetition setup. 15 minutes. Make 8-15 flashcards for the sessions. Key facts or problem types. Keep cards small. 1 question per card. Use digital SRS tools if you want Anki, Quizlet, or a simple paper box with review piles. Schedule the first review tomorrow. Final wrap 5 minutes. Summarize out loud for 2 minutes what's the main idea, 1 trick, and 1 question left unanswered. Write the 1 question down for next session. Weekly review 30-45 minutes. Once per week. Use spaced repetition reviews and mixed practice to lock it in. Do not just reread. Test yourself. Tips for speed so it feels illegal. Do focus sprints, 2 505-minute blocks beat wandering 2-hour sessions. Prioritize high-leverage material, what's most likely to appear on the exam, or what other topics depend on. Use question banks. Practicing the exact format of what you'll face is wildly efficient. Teach 1 concept to a pretend student for 3 minutes. Record yourself. You'll expose gaps fast. Keep notes minimal. 1-page summary per topic. If it's longer, you haven't distilled it. Common objections and quick fixes. I don't have time for all that flashcard stuff. Start with 5 cards per session. That's 5 minutes of long-term payoff. I get distracted. Shorten blocks to 15 minutes and increase frequency. Remove the temptation, physically phone in another room. I hate practice tests. Do tiny ones. 2 questions beat 2 hours of passive reading. Call to action. Alright, try this for 3 days straight. Do the 2-hour template once, or do 2 1-hour mini sessions. Notice the difference. You'll remember more with less time. If you want, comment below which subject you want. A 1-week microplan 4 will make a simple day-by-day you can steal. Subscribe for more tactical study moves. And if this helped, share it with a friend who studies the old way. Go study like it's illegal, but don't actually break any laws. Just break the bad habits. You've got this.